Learn sentence patterns. As we promised, now we are entering to the Learn How to Speak video series, and we are going to teach different types of sentence patterns, and the today lesson is how to use about to. This special phrase can be used both present tense and past tense. So in this second video we focus on the past tense as be verb past tense plus about to do something. Examples from the past tense: was, were, plus about to plus do something. So we are going to learn about the past tense with about to do something, simple sentence patterns. Different type of be verbs past tense. For beginners, be verbs are was, were. We are talking about past tense. I was about to plus phrase. He was about to plus phrase. She was about to plus phrase. You were about to plus phrase. We were about to plus phrase. They were about to plus phrase. My friend, singular, my friend was about to plus phrase. My friends, plural, were about to plus phrase. Here are the phrases you are about to learn. For your easy understanding, we put them together. About to watch television, about to read a book, about to give a speech, about to have my breakfast, about to call to my friend, about to ask a question from teacher, and there can be many more, but we use only few sentences because the one day you are going to learn one lesson, so it's very easy for you to understand very clearly. Basic sentence patterns: about to do something, you are ready to do something. Here is the formation: personal pronoun plus be verb plus about to plus verb plus object. I was plus about to plus verb watch as object television. Here is the formation. Basic sentence patterns. Example: how to form with the three personal pronouns. I was about to watch television. He was about to watch television. You were about to watch television. The four forms of the sentence: I was about to watch television is positive. I was not about to watch television is negative. Were you or was I about to watch television? Interrogative. Yes, I was. No, I was not. Short answer. You can use I wasn't as a negative shortened form. We are only talking about in the lesson three main forms. Those are positive, negative, interrogative. Positive statements with about to watch television. Examples: stage 1. I was about to watch television. You were about to watch television. He was about to watch television. She was about to watch television. We were about to watch television. They were about to watch television. My friend, singular, my friend was about to watch television. My friends were about to watch television, plural. Singular we use was, plural we use were. Negative statements with about to watch television. Examples: I was not about to watch television. You were not about to watch television. He was not about to watch television. She was not about to watch television. We were not about to watch television. They were not about to watch television. My friend was not about to watch television. Here we use singular form. My friends were not about to watch television. The last sentence we use plural, and we keep space for you to listen and understand the difference between singular and plural. My friend, singular, there is no letter S. My friends, we add letter S, so we use plural as were. My friends were. Interrogative statements with about to watch television. Example: Was I about to watch television? As we mentioned, we don't normally ask questions from ourselves, so you can use were you about to watch television? Was he about to watch television? Was she about to watch television? Were we about to watch television? Were they about to watch television? Was your friend about to watch television? Were your friends about to watch television? Your friend is singular, so we use was. Your friends is plural, so we use here were. Singular and plural. Positive statements with about to read the book. Example stage 2. I was about to read the book. You were about to read the book. He was about to read the book. She was about to read the book. We were about to read the book. They were about to read the book. My friend was about to read the book, singular. My friends were about to read the book. Be careful with the listening. Singular form, there is no letter S. We speak again. My friend was about to read the book, singular. My friends were about to read the book, plural. You can hear the difference between letter S and without letter S. Negative statements with about to read a book. Examples: I was not about to read a book. You were not about to read a book. He was not about to read a book. She was not about to read a book. We were not about to read a book. They were not about to read a book. My friend was not about to read a book, singular. My friends were not about to read a book. All the sentence we keep some time for you to practice with us. After I read, you need to practice this lesson, each and every sentence. So it's very easy for you to remember. Try to repeat after me, each and every sentence. Interrogative statements with about to read a book. Examples: was I about to read a book? As we mentioned, we don't ask questions from ourselves, so you can use were you about to read a book? Was he about to read a book? Was she about to read a book? Were we about to read a book? Were they about to read a book? Was your friend about to read a book? Singular form. Were your friends about to read the book, plural. Singular, there is no letter S for the friend. We read it again. Was your friend about to read the book? Plural form, we add letter S. Were your friends about to read the book? Try repeating this each and every sentence, for it is very easy for you to understand. Positive statements which about to give a speech. Example stage 3. I was about to give a speech. You were about to give a speech. He was about to give a speech. She was about to give a speech. We were about to give a speech. They were about to give a speech. My friend was about to give a speech, singular form. My friends were about to give a speech, plural form. We speak again for you to understand the difference between letter S and without letter S with the my friend. My friend was about to give a speech, singular form. My friends were about to give a speech, plural form. Negative statements with about to give a speech. Examples: I was not about to give a speech. You were not about to give a speech. He was not about to give a speech. She was not about to give a speech. We were not about to give a speech. They were not about to give a speech. My friend was not about to give a speech, singular. My friends were not about to give a speech, plural. When you listen this sentence, you hear we are speaking very clearly for listener to understand without reading very fast. English is language we are using for the communication only. So the more you read clearly, the other person can listen very clearly. That is why we read very clearly. So try to practice with us each and every sentence. Interrogative statements with about to give a speech. Examples: was I about to give a speech? Were you about to give a speech? Was he about to give a speech? Was she about to give a speech? Were we about to give a speech? Were they about to give a speech? Was your friend about to give a speech? Singular. Were your friends about to give a speech? Plural. We will read again the singular form and the plural form with the friend. Example: was your friend about to give a speech? There is no letter S, so we use plural as was. Were your friends about to give a speech? Plural. We add letter S after the friend. Were your friends about to give a speech? Plural form. Prepared by Anjula Himasi, grade 10. We hope you enjoyed this lesson from our Learn How to Learn Sentence Patterns video series. This lesson is sent to us by Anjula Himasi, and she is studying in grade 10 at Nalanda Girls College at Minuwangoda, Sri Lanka. Thank you very much, Anjula, and we are expecting more videos like this. And we wish you good luck for all your exams. Let us finish this lesson by saying thank you very much for the learners. We have a special message to you today and every day, that is, in life whatever you learn, it needs to be learned from the heart with the absolute faith that I can learn, I can do this, I will do this. This is the message you are sending to your subconscious mind to allow you to learn and grow as a positive thinking. Do not just read or do something for the sake of doing it. Whatever you do in your life, mean it. So we wish you all the best with our new learning platform, Learn How to Learn. Thank you very much for listening. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so you will never miss another video like this. See you soon.